Automating your YouTube channel with AI can transform your content creation process. First, let's talk about AI-powered video scripting. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI can generate complete scripts in seconds, allowing you to focus on creativity rather than writing. Next, for voiceovers, platforms like Murf.ai and ElevenLabs provide human-like voices that can bring your scripts to life, making your videos more engaging. Then there's video creation. With tools like Pictory.ai and Synthesia.io, you can turn your scripts into polished videos using stock footage or AI avatars, saving you hours of editing. Finally, don't overlook thumbnail and SEO optimization. Canva AI can help you design eye-catching thumbnails, while Tubebuddy and VidIQ can enhance your video's visibility with smart keyword suggestions. Embrace these AI tools to streamline your workflow and elevate your YouTube game. If you found this useful, like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you'll try first. See you in the next video.